Hey everyone, welcome to Saloni Simple Tips, and today I am going to share how to do orange facial at home and get clear glowing fairness skin or vitamin C facial at home. Homemade orange facial is an instant way to lighten the color of your skin. It is a miracle fruit. It provides a lot of nutrients and vitamin to the skin. It is mostly known for the high amount of vitamin C, and vitamin C is one of the most important treatment for lightening skin. The citric acid in orange juice work as natural skin bleach, so it reduces brown spots and pigmentation, increase blood flow to the skin surface, hence leaving your skin much clearer and even toned. So I have a take one orange peel and juice both. I am going to make a paste of orange peel by adding 2 tablespoon orange juice and 2 tablespoon of water. Orange peel paste is ready, and we use this paste as well as orange juice to do facial. This orange facial or vitamin facial will be divided into 6 process: orange cleansing, orange exfoliation, orange treatment, orange facial massage, orange face pack, moisturizer. The first step to make orange cleanser, that's you will need 1 tablespoon milk and 1 tablespoon on orange juice and mix well. Now apply to your face with the help of cotton ball and clean your full face and neck. This cleanser remove dust and impurities from skin. Second step to make orange exfoliation. 1 tablespoon on sugar, 1 tablespoon orange peel paste and 1 tablespoon on honey and mix well. After doing cleansing, scrub your face for 2 minutes. Always be very gentle while scrubbing your face. Do not apply a lot of pressure. Use only tip of your finger to scrub the face and neck. Well done your scrubbing. Clean your face normal water. Third step is orange treatment. For take orange juice and apply to skin with help of cotton ball and leave it to dry. Doing this will help the skin to absorb orange juice directly. Fourth step is orange facial massage cream. For this take 1 tablespoon of orange peel paste and 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon curd and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel and mix them well. After exfoliation and treatment, this skin massage this mixture for 10 minutes in circular motion. Facial massaging increase blood flow and help your skin to absorb all the vertical nutrients into the skin. After well done with the massage, clean your face with towel or tissue. Now let's move on to fifth step, that is orange face pack. For this take 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon orange peel paste, 1 tablespoon on honey, 1 tablespoon on orange juice and mix it well. You can also use multani mitti and gram flour. Now apply this face pack all over your face and neck in upper direction. This face pack help to close the open pores. Leave this face pack for 15 to 20 minutes and wash plain normal water. Now the last step is moisturizing. Your skin moisturizing is very important after doing any facial at home. You can apply your own favorite moisturizer, or you can take 2 drops of coconut oil or almond oil or olive oil, whatever you like, and added 4 drops of water and mix it and apply to on your face and neck. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. Try this orange vitamin C facial at home, and if you can any occasion coming them, this is try. And do not forget the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also share with friends. Bye bye, take care.